Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
La Seng ko all Meghalaya full contact karate organization hag singi uble ka khat saudarik no pra arja pasan hag jingdon lang usya mantang ganguli ubade udukhat jong national full contact karate baringkat ki kmi pa jong ki Khynnah elekai ki badan hag Elton Square Academy Shillong hagani ki jinglang play part ba ya ka Seng kaladonru ka one day training camp nak banta ki Khynnah hag balawan bane shimanta ki Khynnah ki bana keleng ka sor Shillong Kinongkit kam jong ko all Meghalaya full contact karate organization kata kilong usamla hababyang kharsokmat president Erickton Swear working president Elton Dunbok Swear kum secretary but usamla bantibok sano kum treasurer lembat kiwei kidukhat
Enough appreciation from the organization from the academy. Thank you. So as you have known for this for today's program, like we have invited you for this program for this training session for this camp, and thank you very much for your time that you have spent with us here today and this evening. And also I would like to inform all of us here that from today onwards, all the training or the work to be done by this all Meghalaya full contact karate that we have launched today itself, and together with the Elton Square Academy, and more programs to be conducted from today onwards, and we hope that you participated in this coming program that we will organize maybe here in Shillong, maybe in some other places that we will.
So good evening students and parents, thank you for coming today here, and thank you Elton for inviting me here. It's my first time in Meghalaya and Shillong. It's a beautiful place and first time I will be training with you today. So 2-3 things are very important about our organization you should know. So Kyokushin karate is a full contact form of karate, as you all know. We don't touch back, we hit full. You have to understand karate, whenever you think of karate, it's while we are learning, it's for self-defense first, right? So self-defense we cannot touch back, it's always full contact. So your primary thing about learning martial arts or karate is self-defense. So full contact karate is tough, but there is a process. If you train properly, if you train in a proper manner under the proper guidance of Sensei Elton, you will be strong. Some of you have came like for the national tournament this year. We had around 600 participants from all over India. 15 states participated, and your team has performed really well. Clap to you, you have trained them really well, because managing a place in 600 participants is tough, but those who have got places, very good. Kyokushin Karate was started by Sosai Mas Oyama. He is the founder of Kyokushin Karate, and he started back in Japan. And my father, Hanshi Shivaji Ganguly, trained under him in Japan directly. So my father is his direct disciple, and we both are our Hanshi's direct disciple. So whatever you are learning today in Kyokushin Karate is coming from a direct lineage. Many of you will see many are teaching karate, maybe you will see Kyokushin in different places. But the lineage you are practicing here, from Sensei Elton, is the direct lineage of Sosai Master. It will go, but it will not impact. See my hip. Okay? So it will go and impact. And we'll try to keep our body as straight as possible. You have to take your kick that side. Don't stop here. 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 No. Here. Impact. Hip. 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 Okay?
Ni kesini kesini saja kan mau ni kalai trik nai makat ajar pesan ya keban kalian ujungi ni layo ya keban Seng ni ketika all India full contact karate organization kejingnya don lang jong sementak kangguli badai member jong ka national full contact karate organization te kani kesini nilayo ya keban don ru ini ka training kekam akibat layo banyawan sebentar lagi babun kita jangka ni kesor sulong te bangi kermen ru lima jangka ni kesini minsa yo ki samla ki Khynnah akibat lebah akibat tai per berkamtam makan ni karate bangi i bah ini kesini bentar don ka lawe don ka future don bentar ka jongki nomor penangklian ka government ru kala senok ketilang bat kala yarap sibun kalau dia berkini Khynnah kibala juya participate kibala juya sebentar sekali pat kibenta jong kari India kibala wanra sibun kenam keburom ya kejelah kejomi lagalong aki gold ne silver ne bronze medal ni i bersorkar kala simkhia palemba kini ji sebentar jadi Khynnah ke sorkar kala air ke scholarship kita joki lemba kini ji Seng jomi kini kesini ya kini ka all Meghalaya full contact karate organization dengan kermen bah sibun ki samlah bat ki Khynnah ki buram sab apa ini bat kini karate kini apan ya mi syakmat ya kapan ya sebentar bat ya kapan ya participate kini ka tournament kini ki program si fair jong kini ka karate organization kemudian keleng ka jaka jong dari India te sahisin nga korpat bat nga kemilenti palimba jong kini ka sing kami layo Seng kin sami sibun ki samlang akiban monra burong bat ya ka jela bat aplikasi jintia hijumi
akabaya dai bat ni ka fusion karate kadeka kajingla ka kata ka full contact karate de kani ka hap ko kani ka all Meghalaya full contact karate organization akani ka fusion ka wan nak po Japan founder de sosai masuk ya ma ka bangi ju khat ien ya hadin ka tu idan ihanshi jong ina po India imbala juture sa po Japan labun sien aki bun sinan na ni satai manong direct student jong i susai masuk ya ma de nai kane ka Jinghikai kawan no kunga de student jong i hanshi shibaji ganggudi ya hangu i ma ngan penian kane ka Jinghikai aki kusin karate de kibakwa ban join ya kane aki kusin karate kila ban contact ya hanga haka Instagram page ke Instagram account kebakai antar suwe ini nani kilaban man direct apo link youth center kebagai ai Jinghikai itu tangita